Ladies and gentlemen, the president of Bugatti Automobiles, Mr. Stefan Winkelmann.
For the unveiling, I call on stage Stefan Elroth, who is our vice president for R&D, and Achim Anscheid, who is our director of design. Gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. This is the world premiere. It's very exciting also for me, I can tell. And now we'll talk a bit about the design with the performance, and then I will want to wrap it up. So for us, as I said, the design has to be unmistakably recognizable as a real Bugatti. So there are three key elements which are important for us, paramount. The first one is the big horseshoe here in the front. The second one is the center line, which is cutting the car in half. And then we have the signature line, which is this line. And these are the three key elements which are certifying a Bugatti in our view. Also, if you don't see the logo and the brand. And now, for us, performance is key. So, form follows performance is one of the main drivers for our designers. So to get better cooling and more downforce, we increased a lot the air intakes. We have a big front spoiler, and we have a NACA duct on top of the car, and we also have a very big rear wing, which is 23% bigger than the one of the Chiron. And we have an outstanding, and this is you can't see right now, but you will see later on, an outstanding diffuser in the back. So this is enabling the car to have a better cooling and to increase the downforce by 198 pounds. Then we have stiffened the chassis, and we have more sporty dampers, and this is better for the handling behavior as well. We increased the camber of the wheels, and this is something which we did, and it's also looking very cool on the car. And apart of that, we decreased the weight, so the weight is lower by more than 77 pounds in comparison to the Chiron. And by putting all these things together, so a better downforce, a stiffer chassis, less weight, in combination with our outstanding and wonderful 8-liter capacity engine with 16 cylinder and 1500 horsepower, we have achieved an incredibly time on the handling parcours which is quicker by 8 seconds than the Chiron. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to build only 40 units of this wonderful car for €5 million net each. And guess what? They are all sold. So we are very proud and happy. And a lot of people, a lot of customers are here today. So welcome to them, because it is an honor for us to be here.